Hi guys, welcome to CompSci Kids e-learning, and today we have a really fun lesson planned for you guys called Amazing Algorithm Mazes. I'm Shreya.
I'm Caleb.
And I'm Sahiti.
So we're planning on playing a maze game later on today, but before we get to any of that fun stuff, we need to go over what algorithms actually are.
So what are algorithms? An algorithm is a list of steps for another object, such as a computer or person to carry out. And what computer scientists do is they code algorithms, and some of them can be complex, some of them can be simple. An example of an algorithm in real life is a GPS giving steps on how to drive something. And another example is the list of steps to make instant ramen. So for example, if you look on a package of instant ramen, it'll say set the stove to high heat, then boil the water, then boil the noodles in the water, and then add the flavor packet, and then stir for a certain amount of time, and then wait for a certain amount of time. So notice how the package is being really specific on what to do, and it instead of saying boil the water and then boil the noodles, it says set stove to high heat first, so you just know what to do and it's easier to follow.
The whole point of algorithms is to be as specific as possible. So let's try it with an example. In the video, we have to get the person to the red dot. So let's try it real quick. If you had anything like the purple, then you got the hang of algorithms. And just remember, it's all about being as descriptive as possible.
So now let's get to the fun part, the actual game. So first, start off by creating a maze or obstacle course with objects around your house. You can use chairs, blankets, cones, and etc. Next, write detailed instructions on how to go through the maze on a piece of paper. The goal of this is to be as specific as possible so that someone else can get through the maze. And I highly recommend going through the maze yourself so you can mirror what somebody else sees. Next, blindfold a family member and guide them through the maze only using the instructions you wrote earlier. And then lastly, feel free to switch up roles. You can have your family member create a new maze and write instructions, and you can go through the maze yourself.
All right, guys, it's your turn to try. So grab anything and everything around the house, for example, chairs, blankets, cones, blocks, paper, and even cardboard, and set up your own maze. Remember, be as descriptive as possible so it's easier to get through the maze. All right, guys, we miss you, and send us pictures about how you got through the maze and what it looks like. We look forward to seeing them. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.